Every fashion designer needs to have a deep knowledge of reading a tape measure. Beginners, this class is specially for you. I am Amara. Welcome to today's class. Let's read the tape in decimal. That is the actual way you take your measurement. This is the starting point, 0. Then the second smaller line there, which is this one, is 0.125. That is 1/8. Why is it 1/8? If you count this mark, if you count all this mark now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and there are 8 marks. So therefore, it's going to be this first one is 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8 to 8/8. Okay, I am just taking you on how I got this figures here. You get so that you don't get confused. So 1 divided by 8 is 0.125. 2 divided by 8 is 0.25. That is this longer. This one is a bit longer than the first short one, but it is 0.25 mark. Then the next one here is 0.375. That is 3/8. 3 divided by 8. That is what it will give you. Then the one at the middle, the longer one at the middle, is 0.5, which is 4/8. That's 4 divided by 8. This is what it will give you. Then after that one, the next line you see there is 0.625. That is 5 divided by 8, 5/8. Then the next line, which is this one, is 0.75. That is 6/8. 6 divided by 8. That is what it will give you. Then the last one before you get the big whole number is 7/8. 7 divided by 8, which is 0.875. Do you understand? So then finally 1 inch. That is the whole number. That is 8/8. When you divide 8 by 8, it will give you 1. I hope you understand. So you continue to read step like so till you get to 60, or even if what you're working with is more than 50. So that is how you read the tape. So if after dividing your client's measurement or whatever you're working with, and it is giving you something like, okay, let's say 3.9. 3.9, how did you get that? Here is 3.9, and this is what 4 inches. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and follow for more videos.